Hey Kristen, it's Tony at Prime Motor Cars. So we're here today to show you the 2016 E350 by Mercedes-Benz in iridium silver with a black interior. This car has the sport package. It also has keyless entry. You've got full multimedia with this car, so you can basically voice command your radio, your navigation, and your phone, all your phone contacts. Get you a look at the back seat here. It does have a Panorama sunroof, which is a huge sunroof. Also has the lane tracking package, which is going to give you blind spot assist and lane tracking. So if you do hit the white lines, you're going to get a vibration on your steering wheel. Getting a look at the trunk. Big trunk. Has the comfort box here. Basically keeps track of your loose items. And you are going to be able to split in half your back seat or completely fold down. This car does have a spare tire, which you really don't see anymore today. All right, and a power trunk. This also has the keyless go package, so basically if your hands are full, you can slide your foot under the rear of the trunk and the trunk will open. So really nice car, very clean. We're going to take you on a little ride, okay? All right, before we roll, just want to take you through the car. If you're not familiar with the Mercedes-Benz car, you have your seat adjustments here, head, back, bottom. You do have mirror adjustment. This car also has the fold feature. So basically you can manually fold the mirrors, or we can set it up so that when you turn the car off and grab the door handle, the mirrors will fold automatically, okay? This does have keyless go, so you have a push button start, and you do have the option to pop the button out and use the key if that's what you prefer. So a nice big screen, SIRIUS satellite radio. You got heated seats. You have a rear shade, power shade, and this car also has the eco feature. Forgot to mention the Harman kardon sound system. That's high-end sound, really nice. So all right, so let's take it for a ride and see what you think. This has got a 6-cylinder engine, 302 horsepower, plenty of power, yet respectable gas mileage. And a really quiet ride. This is actually where the luxury ride begins with the Mercedes-Benz cars. Very nice. All right, so there it is. Hope you liked the video. I'll be getting it off to you right away and be in touch with you very soon. Thank you.